Welcome to Code Club by Adiremi. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a dark and light mode toggle for your website using HTML, CSS, and just a tiny bit of JavaScript. By the end of this video, you'll have a working theme switcher that looks awesome and works perfectly on any browser. Let's jump on into it. First, we'll set up our HTML. Let's set up our HTML. Name it index.html. Then I'll create. Okay, let's set it up first. Okay. So this is the structure of the HTML. We have the body, closing body, and the closing HTML. Okay, let's try the title. So we name it toggle. Toggle. Let's close it. And closing HTML. So we'll create a div. And we'll add a heading that says welcome to my website and a paragraph for some text. Then I will add a button with an ID of toggle button. This will be our dark and light mode switch. So we're going to create a header first. A heading should be welcome to my website. Welcome to my website. Then close it. We also create a paragraph. This is a simple dark light mode example. That'll be our paragraph. Then we'll create a button. So it will have an ID id of toggle button. Let's leave it at click. So the button will have an id of toggle button. So the div will have a class called container. That's how we are going to be able to style it. So let's try and see how it is on a live server. We allow it to load. I'm waiting for it to load. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, still loading. Okay, it's loading now. Let's wait for it to completely load. Okay, now it is now displaying in our. Now we'll create a CSS file. It should be index.css. So for the styling, I will start with the default light mode, which will be what? White background, dark text, white background, dark text, and the centered layout. So let me create a link between the CSS and the HTML. That will be index.css. Okay, we'll start with the body. Start with the font family, which is going to be Arial and sans serif. Then we'll have a background color of white. So it's going to have a white background. So it's going to have a dark text. So that means we'll make the color black. Then we want to center. We want to center all our text. So make use of what? Text align. Then we'll add a padding on all sides. So we'll make it. Let's make it 50 pixels. Then let's add transition for smooth fading. Yes. Okay, let's view it in our browser. You can see we are moving forward. So we have a white background and a dark text. So we'll create a dark mode class that flips the color, which will have a what? A dark background and a light text. That's what we're going to do. Dark mode. So the background is going to be what? Dark. I'm making use of what? The S code. Then we are going to make the color white. So this will flip the colors from the background color, which is white before, to a dark one, and the text color, the color of the text, from black to white. So we are styling this with the button now. We are adding margin to the top, which is what? 20 pixels, and we are adding a padding, which is going to be 10 pixels and 20 pixels, both vertical and horizontal. We want the font size to be what? 80 pixels. The cursor is going to be pointer. We don't want it to have any border, so make it none. Then background, let's make use of F code. F0. Then lastly, we add the border radius. There are 5 pixels. It's okay. Let's save. Let's view it in our browser. Okay. Now moving forward. Now let's make use of JavaScript. So create another file, JavaScript file. So it's going to be index.js. Here is the magic. In JavaScript, I will grab the toggle button using get element by ID. Then I will add a click event listener that toggles the dark mode class in the body. That's all it takes. So I'll create a variable using const. Create a variable using const. The variable will be toggle button. Now make use of document.getElement by ID. Then our ID in the button is called toggle button. So I'll add a click event listener. Add event listener, a single colon. This is going to be click, comma brackets, space equals to, in another curly brackets. Then now body dot class list. Dot toggle, open bracket, single colon, dark mode. So this will change the background color of the whole body of our web page, to change it from white to dark. So let's view it in our browser. So let's click on the button. boom, the entire site switches between dark and light mode instantly. To make it even smoother, I added a transition in our CSS so colors fade nicely instead of snapping. And that's it. We just built a working dark light mode toggle in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If you find this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more web development tips, and let me know in the comments what you want me to build next. Thanks for watching.